Reach out to me then and find out where really go on. No, you want to come for me. You don't come for me. See me here? You don't come for me. You take one side, not one side story, you take and run with it. One-sided story. If you bring down who, carry down who. When she run up from her granny yard, she never come and come talk. Whether she bribe the man or not. Because I bribe, she bribe the man. She bribe the man. I was going long before my final. I'm finding myself, what kind of style, what kind of something there, man? Eh? I'm gonna walk. My dad walk. Because me used to look growth with the team. You know about growth in Thailand. I'm gonna okay, you run that, do what you have to do. Would I see if you at work? Me that see if you at work. Me that see if you at work. You wanna be at work one place. And me get left come out of the yard. And I come on, just like how June said she shuffling, I come on, come to shuffling and go on. So that much I want to go on. Nothing I go on, I just go over. I go left me. I bid for go Mali. Remember you tell me that? See me run the road, I run the road me there now. Look up and I look at work with the baby father. And then let's me go to the yard. And one man said, go to the yard, Kanisha. I'm come on, they see the shuffling and go on. And you tell me some Mali, you remember? You remember you tell me some Mali I go the night? Not even night like evening. Night just up. Just start just up about 5 o'clock. And you tell me some Mali I go? And I say, what you going Mali go do? And the man turned to me and said, I said, make sure go on, man. You remember that? You remember? Them something enough to come talk up here. Them something enough to come talk. Me they want my business when whatever happen, what happen, they want my business. As me start in my young days, I have my latitude. I have 4 people I get. And I say, alright, I time for me buckle up my shoes now and drop my socks. I'm venture out for my own and I try to build my life. I want to try to carry me down over here, so. But build a fun life, man. I stop care new. I'm not do this, you know, the back and forth, something me not doing it. Oh? So I was live last night and was talking about the incident. Yeah, me not do this. We don't know. Come just hear once in a story and just run with it. You think police are idiot? You think say police are idiot? I would think say child service are idiot.